Hi, I'm Victoria, Zentech Company, and today I'm going to show you about how the local sharing works. Sometimes you come to the event and your internet is not so good. You know how it can be. So the local sharing really helps in this case. So how does the local sharing works? In this case, your client connects to the same network as your laptop with the videos, and then it's just like loading files in a local network. It's a little bit difficult and complicated to understand, but really you just need to try it once and it will be really easy. So for the beginning you will need to have a key sender installed on your laptop. In my case it's already installed, so I basically just open it. You will need to have a pro version. The pro version costs about like $6-7 a month, and this program really worth it. So for the beginning, you need to find the folder with all your final videos. So for that, we are going to main, paths, and then we are selecting the hot folder. In my case, it's C, Zentech, Spinner, Outputs, Done, MP4. So basically, if I want to select some other folder, I just press Browse, and then I just search for my folder, and then press Select Folder. It's better to save settings. It's almost ready. For now, you just need to go to presets and set settings for the local sharing. So for the beginning, you just need to create a new preset. In my case, it's already created, but if you don't have it, just press this sign. It needs to be active, so please activate it here. Then you're going to Publishing Files Pro, and you need to select in QR codes local link. Perfect, you're almost done, really. So after that, you need to show the QR code of Wi-Fi in galleries. Activate it, please, and you need to text something. For example, scan this in the beginning. Scan this first, for example. Then you will need to show the QR code for your file. So I also turn it on and text, for example, then scan this. You can actually text anything that you prefer. In my case, it's gonna be like this. So, okay. And then we need to set settings for the Wi-Fi. That's really the last thing. So we go into the Wi-Fi, and here you need to text your SSID. It's the name of your internet. So in my case, if you want to find it, you just go into Wi-Fi, and here I can just see my SSID. In my case, it's Mr. Wi-Fi. Perfect. So I just text it here, and then you need to text your password. So I will just cover my password, but I'm texting it. Perfect. It's almost ready, so we just need to save it by this button. It's all perfect, and now we can check it. To check it, you just need to go to Main and Web. Here you can see 3 addresses. One of them is a web gallery, the gallery with all your videos which you can send by email or scan the QR code. The second one is web carousel. It's just showing all videos one by one, in case if you want to show it on TV, for example. You actually can just connect the TV by HDMI cable. Also, you can show the last video taken. It's also super convenient to show it on a big screen, for example on TV, so people could see their video, scan the QR code and load it straight to their phone. So for now, we're just gonna open the web gallery. So I'm just like opening it, and here you can see my clip and 2 QR codes. The first one, as you see, it's texted scan this first, for you just can scan it and connect to the same internet, and the second one is just to download files. So basically you're just like taking your phone, then pointing it to this QR code, scanning it and loading. So I'm just opening the camera on my phone and then pointing it to the QR code number 1. So you can join the Wi-Fi. In my case, okay, I'm joining it, and then you're just like opening the local site. So you can just press download the file to download it, and that's actually it. It's super fast. We have a super slow internet in the office, but it's already on my phone. just because it's a local network. So I've just saved my video and you can see my photos. Here it is. Beautiful. But maybe you just want to know how to share it on iPad or something like this. It's also super easy. In my case, I'm just taking the Surface Pro. It's going to be instead of the iPad. It actually doesn't matter if it's iPad or some other device with the browser. You just need to have the browser and possibility to connect to some Wi-Fi. That's actually it. So in my case, I'm just going to be opening the web gallery on it. So to open the web gallery, it just needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi as my laptop. So it's connected to Mr. Wi-Fi as my laptop. It's important. Then we are opening the browser and actually texting the address of the web gallery here. So it's like 192 dot sorry, it takes time for me to text it. I don't know why. 192.168.191. Here it is. As soon as it's texted, you also need one additional sign and like gallery. Here it is. So it's almost it's texted as in the web gallery here, and I just open it, and here I can see the gallery with all my videos. It's gonna be like the same with an iPad. The only thing that you need to connect to the same internet, and then to type the address of the gallery correctly. It's actually mine super common mistake that I just type it wrong all the time. And also see the same two QR codes. If people don't know how QR codes work, then it's also possible just to email videos. But we have a separate guide about how to set up email sending and email sharing in this software, so you can also check it. I was glad to show you everything, and please let me know if you have some questions.